to show you real quickly a meal that you can get on your table within 15 minutes at night. If you're tired of the old red pasta, white pasta, what I'm going to show you here is a quick dish on making a spaghetti dish. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter. And as that melts, you do this while you're making your pasta. While your pasta is boiling for at least 12 minutes. You're going to put that in. You're going to add some zest of 4 lemons. You're going to mix that in. Zest of 4 lemon. Here's the key ingredient. The water from your pastas that you're cooking it with, a 3/4 cup of this, and this is what's going to make up your sauce. So while you got this going, you're going to have a reduction in the infusion of the lemon and the pepper. So this is going to become your sauce. So this will take the place of tomato sauce or a white sauce or what have you. We're going to let that simmer just for a second, and then this is a very easy meal, as I said. It takes you only like 15 minutes to get it ready at night while your pasta cooking for 12 minutes. You got this, your sauce going, and here's the fun part. You take your pasta, you just gonna drop it in. You don't have to use it all. Then you're gonna mix your pasta and the water together. While that's set, now you're going to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You're going to mix that together, and this is going to what they call a lemon pasta or citrus pasta. So while that's sitting there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off a little parsley here. And I'm going to mince it lightly. Get my plate. Place it in the center. And finish it off with the garnishes. And I'm going to take a little of the parsley. I'm going to sprinkle on it. Now they don't look like it has a lot of sauce, but this is packed with flavor. Then a little Parmesan cheese. I'm going to take a little juice from the lemon. Give that lemon citrus flavor. What I did, I zested 2 lemons. And I'm using the juice from 4 of them to give it that flavor. So this is 2 quick versions. The acidity in the lemon going to cause the sauce to thicken. As you can see here, the sauce will thicken. With that, that's your second plate. So what I'm going to do here, is add some more pasta. And just for a little garnish, I'm going to take it, put it on the side. Add a little pasta to this dish. And right there what you have what they call a lemon pasta dish, which is light on the sauce, and it gives you a variety from the old red sauce and the Alfredo sauce. Bon appetit.